Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 4D to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. I already did that because it was taking too long to download, so now I need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow right away on both smartphones. Now select Receive on an Android one and Send on TCL. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your data and transfer it later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Just send and tap on Got it. Then select on an Android No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then choose Receive, but we can also just scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!